completed till exercise 7.4. So scholars, in this video we will start with exercise 7.5, which is related to story sums. Okay, and that story sums are related to decimal concepts. Okay, in our previous video we have seen how to add decimal, how to subtract decimal. Here we will see how to solve story sums. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so we'll start with our today's concept, that is story sums. So scholars, before starting with exercise, let's revise keywords related to addition and subtraction. Okay, these keywords will help you to find operation of the sum. Okay, so here we have few keywords related to addition and subtraction. So the keywords for addition is all together, in all, total, more. If you find any of these words in your story sum, it means that story sum is related to addition. Okay. Now we will see few keywords related to subtraction. Here we have left, balance, remaining, difference, and many more we have. Okay. So if you find any of these words in your word problem, it means that story sum is related to subtraction. Okay. So first of all, what you need to do, scholars, you need to read the story sum properly twice, thrice. You have to locate the keyword. This keyword will help you to find the order of operation, and then you have to solve the sums. Okay. So we'll start with the exercise 7.5. So here we have first sum of exercise 7.5, that is Rahul measures the capacity of 3 jugs. The capacity of first, second and third is 1.25 liters, 1.40 liters and 0.45 liters respectively. It means capacity of first jar is 1.25 liter, capacity of second jar is 1.40 liters and capacity of third jar is 0.45 liters. Okay. So now we have to find how much water can the 3 jugs hold all together. Okay, what we need to find? We need to find how much water can the 3 jugs hold all together. So here we have to find keyword. So which is our keyword? The keyword is all together. Okay, this is the keyword. Now since we have keyword all together, it means the order of operation is addition. Okay, so you have to write like this. Now we'll start with the steps. Let's frame the statements first. So the first statement is capacity of first jug is 1.25 liters. Second statement is capacity of second jug is 1.40 liters. And the third statement is capacity of third jug is 0.45 liters. So scholars, this is all given in our story sums. Okay. Now we have to frame the statement that we have to find. What we need to find? We need to find capacity of all 3 jugs all together. Okay. The holding capacity of all 3 jugs. Okay. Since we have keyword all together, so what is the order of operation? Yes, the order of operation is addition. What we need to do? We need to add all these decimal numbers to get the holding capacity of all 3 jugs. Okay, so now we will see addition part. In our previous video, we have already seen how to add the numbers. Here once again we will revise it. Okay. So let's add. Okay, so for adding, what we need to do, scholars, first of all we have to make this decimal place value chart. Okay, so here I have made decimal place value chart and I have arranged the numbers according to their place value. See, first number, that is 1.25 is the capacity of first jar, 1.40 is the capacity of second jar and 0.45 is the capacity of third jar. Okay, so now scholars, we will add all these 3 decimal numbers to get the total capacity of all 3 jars. Okay, so we'll start from 100th place. So here we have digit at 100th place 5 plus 0 plus 5. So 5 plus 0 plus 5 is 10. Okay. So we'll put 0 over here and we'll carry forward 1 to the next place value. Okay. Now we'll add the digit that is at 10th place. So here we have digit 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 4 is 11. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll put 1 over here and 1 will be carry forwarded to the next place value. So here we have 1s. Okay. Now we will solve the whole number part. We have completed our decimal part. Now we'll add the digit that is at 1's place. So here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So here I have put 3. So here we have got the total capacity that is 3.10. Okay. So what we will do, we'll write final statement. Scholars, don't forget to write the final statement. So the final statement is the capacity of 3 jug is 3.10 liters and this unit you have to write compulsory. Okay. So scholars, here we have completed with a sum number 1. Sum number 2, I will just orally explain you. Addition part, you will do it by yourself. Okay. So are you all ready for it? Yes. So sum number B of exercise 7.5 we have Nidhi bought 2.10 kg of tomatoes, 1.45 kg of potatoes and 3.25 kg of onions from the market. What is the total weight of the vegetables bought? What we need to find? We need to find total weight of the vegetables bought from the market. So scholars, first of all, what we need to do? We need to locate keyword. So here we have keyword as total. It means the order of operation over here is addition. What we need to do? We need to add all the numbers, decimal numbers, to find the total weight of the vegetables bought. So the first statement will be weight of tomatoes is equal to 2.10 kgs. Our second statement will be weight of potatoes is 1.45 kgs. And our third statement will be weight of onions is equal to 3.25 kgs. Okay, this is all given in our question. Now we'll write the statement what we have to find. We have to find total weight of the vegetables bought. So our statement for finding will be the total weight of vegetables bought is equal to question mark. Okay. Now we'll come to a second part where we will add all these decimal number to get the total weight. So scholars, you have to first of all make decimal place value chart. You have to arrange the numbers according to their place value and then you have to add. Okay. When you will add, you will get the total weight of the vegetables brought and then at last you have to write the final answer. And scholars, don't forget to write the unit, that is kg. I hope my all scholars will do it by themselves. Okay. If you are facing any difficulties, we will solve in a Zoom class. Okay, scholars. So scholars, here we have completed with exercise also and chapter also. Okay. From our next video, we will be starting with a new chapter, that is chapter number 8. Okay. So scholars, do complete this exercise in your notebook in good and neat handwriting. Okay, scholars. So scholars, bye for now. Take care of yourself.